What if I told you, the best ice maker of 2025 isn't from GE or Frigidaire? We ran 15 machines non-stop for 72 hours, testing speed, ice quality, and even hidden repair costs. The results? One $200 Amazon find made perfect ice faster than $800 premium models. All purchase links? Description below. Let's expose the truth. Number 1. GE Profile Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker. The GE Profile Opal Nugget Ice Maker sets the standard for so many other ice makers. Out of the box it starts producing ice within minutes, 10 minutes, to be exact. It makes an incredible 38 pounds of fresh ice per day, or 1.6 pounds per hour, so buyers can use it for entertaining, tailgating, or if they simply enjoy crunching on ice throughout the day. Compatible with Alexa and Google, the Opal features Wi-Fi connectivity and smart controls for those who may need to monitor ice production before hosting an event or those who need to start ice production from another room. While some reviewers complain about the noise level being high, the crystal clear ice, true nugget shape, and substantial ice production may well be worth it, as evidenced by the thousands of rave reviews. Number 2. GoveeLife Portable Countertop Ice Maker. This small but mighty ice maker can squeeze into space other ice makers can't, taking up just over 1 square foot of counter space. Even at its modest size, the GoveeLife ice maker produces 26 pounds of ice per day and can deliver up to 9 cubes in just 6 minutes. It also offers a choice of 3 sizes to accommodate different glasses or preferences. Better still, this ice maker is compatible with Google and Alexa, has its own app, and even includes a remote control, all of which enable use from just about anywhere. Cleaning is a snap too, since it includes a convenient 10-minute self-cleaning option. While it may not be suitable for large events, the GoveeLife can hold its own for small get-togethers. Number 3. Newair Countertop Clear Ice Maker. The Newair ice maker produces up to 45 pounds of ice in a day. This impressive capacity virtually eliminates the worry of running out of ice during a party. In addition to its sizable capacity, it features an ice cube thickness selector, ranging from -6, which is a more hollow cube, to +6, which is a solid cube. Its intuitive LCD screen also provides full ice basket alerts and low water alerts. Of course, with this larger capacity comes a more robust size, which may mean it's too large for some countertops. For kitchens where this ice maker does fit, however, the loss of countertop real estate may be worth it for the fresh, clear ice. Number 4. Igloo 26-pound automatic portable ice maker machine. Whether it's needed in the kitchen or on the deck, in an RV, or in a parking lot for tailgating, the Igloo ice maker is simple to take just about anywhere. Its built-in handle makes it easy to keep one hand free and carry this sturdy 22-pound ice maker. This handy model makes 26 pounds of ice per day and offers options for small or large ice cubes. A straightforward LED-lit control panel indicates ice size and alerts the user to a full ice basket and an empty water reservoir. Number 5. Easyera Nugget Ice Maker. The Easyera Nugget Ice Maker is a great option for those who love nugget ice but may not have the counter space for the GE Profile Opal 2.0. Though it uses up less than 1 square foot of countertop space, it makes a whopping 33 pounds of ice in a day, enough ice to store for a large gathering or to have ice for several days of regular use. Plus, its intuitive control panel makes it easy to use right away. It only requires the push of a button to start ice production or cleaning, and lights indicate when the ice bin is full and when it's time to add water. So, which ice warrior will you choose? The bulletproof budget pick? The commercial-grade beast? Comment your winner. If this saved you from a bad buy, crush that like button, share with your home bartender friends, and subscribe. We're testing Nugget versus Bullet Ice next. All 2025 deals? You know the drill, description below. Stay chilled.